Looking to boost your bone health? Check out these 5 healthy and effective drinks that can help you achieve strong and healthy bones. When it comes to bone health, milk is a natural source of calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and vitamins A and D. Whether it's soy, cow's, almond, or coconut milk, they all provide essential nutrients for strong bones. Dark leafy green smoothies, like those made from spinach, kale, and lettuce, are packed with calcium, antioxidants, and vitamins C and K. These nutrients are essential for maintaining bone strength and density. Broccoli juice is a powerhouse of calcium, phosphorus, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Daily consumption can help fight various health issues and promote weight loss. Freshly squeezed orange juice is rich in calcium, a vital vitamin for bone strength. Skip the preservatives and make your own at home for maximum benefits. Surprisingly, green tea contains components like catechins and antioxidants that can contribute to bone health and protect bones from damage. Incorporating these nutritious drinks into your diet can provide the essential nutrients needed for strong and healthy bones. Cheers to bone wellness.